Hello everybody, this is not a crypto expert chime again with another video. And in today's video, I wanted to go over another list that I ran across. This one is 5 blockchain projects to keep an eye on according to Daniel Phillips from Being Crypto. But before I get into the topic of discussion for today, I would like to ask that you please consider giving me a like, giving me a heart, giving me a thumbs up, giving me a subscribe, giving me a follow. I'm not going to ask you to share because it seems invasive. On my channel, I talk about blockchain technology as well as cryptocurrency. I try to keep it entertaining with the beat in the background. So, on to the topic of discussion for today, which is, like I said, a list of the 5 blockchain projects to keep an eye on according to Daniel Phillips from Being Crypto. And I'm going to do this like I did the other list. I'm going to read the intro and just do different videos for each of the projects because I don't want to have it too long. The next project on the list is Ocean Protocol, and instead of reading what's on here, I am going to play a video from the Ocean Protocol YouTube page, which has a nice amount of information on it. I'm going to scroll down, and at the very bottom they have their video detailing what it is about. And a few things that I would like for you to pay attention to are things that I have harped on before, which is I'm a privacy advocate. Companies are housing our data. They're using it for whatever they want, and they're not keeping it safe. And they actually mentioned data breaches in the video. So, like I said, instead of me reading what's on there, I'm just going to play the video and hope that you get a better understanding of what it is that Ocean Protocol is attempting to do with their project.
We produce more data now than ever before. It's all around us, growing exponentially from people, companies, and devices. Data can be used to power innovation and lead to breakthroughs that save lives, reduce costs, and improve the quality of our environment. But right now, data is locked up. It's a valuable resource that isn't being used. Every person generates a stream of data. The problem is that we don't own it. People give up their data for free, and companies sell it. We only realize this when we get spam mail, our data is hacked, and our identity is stolen. This affects everyone. Every year, over 1 million lives are lost in car accidents, and countless others are injured, mostly because of human error. Autonomous, self-driving cars point to a future where more people can get home safely to their families. If car companies could pool their self-driving car data, we could rapidly improve the AI algorithms and have safe, autonomous cars on the road sooner. Here, the data is available, but it isn't being shared. Our journey to solve this data sharing problem started with a simple idea. What if we could give everyone full control over their intellectual property? This was Ascribe.io, a service to help creators claim attribution. But we faced scaling problems, and that led us to BigchainDB, a big data database with blockchain characteristics, which gives people the power to control and manage their data.
I spent nearly 20 years doing AI research, AI to drive Moore's Law, AI for creative design, and more. 4 years ago, I shifted my focus to blockchain technology with BigchainDB and IPDB, the interplanetary database. A year ago, I started asking, how might AI and blockchain intersect? The number of answers surprised me. All roads led to one place, a decentralized data exchange protocol, to connect the data halves with the AI halves.
DEX is a data marketplace, enabling data sharing for the last 4 years. My experience with data marketplaces was that compliance and privacy issues emerge as soon as companies, governments, and citizens understand the power of their data and the risks associated with it. The solution for me was in decentralizing data to provide a framework of trust, enabling control, privacy, security, compliance, and transparency. That's exactly what prompted me to reach out to BigchainDB in Berlin.
It's the convergence of these two streams that led us to start Ocean. Providing peace of mind, control, and security to data providers, while allowing researchers to find and use the data they need, and creating a thriving ecosystem of developers to build new marketplaces and provide innovative services. Ocean is a decentralized data exchange protocol. We took pieces from Ascribe to treat data like intellectual property that can be licensed and sold. We took the privacy mechanisms from BigchainDB to give users full control over their data. We took the models of governance and managing a network from IPDB. And we took from DEX the marketplace framework. The network and protocol will be powered with a native token, just like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Filecoin. The Ocean token is used as the means of exchange within the network. Providers earn Ocean when their data is sold. Consumers use Ocean to buy data. Curators earn Ocean for maintaining valuable public data. Developers earn Ocean for building the marketplaces that bring communities together. And keepers earn Ocean for providing network services.
We want 1,000 marketplaces to blossom. How? A substrate to power the data marketplaces. And alongside that, a global data commons. Ocean is that substrate.
We believe that everyone should be able to thrive in the data economy. By unlocking the trillions in latent value and bringing to bear the power of data with AI, we can initiate change that benefits all humankind. That's why we're building Ocean Protocol.
All right, so great video. I don't want to make this video too much longer, but I would like to point you towards the Ocean Protocol website. It's oceanprotocol.com. Like I said, they've got a nice amount of information on their website as well as on their YouTube page. I applaud what it is that they're doing. I am a privacy advocate. I'm going to continue to say that in like as many videos as it pertains to our data is one of our most valuable things, and these companies for really about a decade or so have been housing our data. They've been archiving our lives and selling it to third parties and whomever else using it for whatever reasons, but they're not keeping it safe. So kudos to Ocean Protocol with the idea. And with that being said, folks, I hope that you're having a great morning, a great afternoon, and an even better evening.